for na charge kotoko
na ma charge kotoko omse kotoko etro Bismarck I say referee Aduntura has awarded a penalty for a foul outside the box. Where commenter kotoko enti one on the charge no and so by you know kotoko up to Bismarck charges now already. I
say winner who charge.
I say Asano has been charged following their match the 11 Ghana Premier League a game against FC Samatex for a breach of section 34 clause 6D of the GFA Premier League regulations 2025. The club is alleged to have published comments on social media that were insightful and posed a risk of violence against the match official, which constitutes misconduct that brings the game the game into disrepute. They are on to Wednesday no Mobobono. They are on to Wednesday 26th November 2025 to respond to the charge.
All right, Kwame. So I think say Emra and again udi djuma die bi na rules and regulations wo ho a ye didi djuma na ne ubrichi a at least etwase emfa emra no embo enti se ene se koroko akotwe bibia to social media anase akoka asem na ne emra no ebo abra na de bona Kwame I feel say ne kwaso ano enti se video no anade koroko ka ho asem no se ntisa nso a menye sure say I mean, you better not to say, Fasa, I mean, Ebrano and Fandi Kotoko, not Kotoko, I mean, Omo and Kosevo are punishment, you know. But Kwame, me person me busa say, has a folk case now, because he's saying, has a folk ni Hussein Emra Omu Kodi Juma, Kobo Bo, your Muni Kumasa Santi Koroko. Ah, Hussein Mohammed Yenyano na ene, Oni referee, Uncle Bu referee. Yen jano na omfa de besi ensi wo Accra Sports Stadium honom no I mean Kwame akosi sei
yentehwe but Everton as one
Kwame okay what Everton na one red card
so one she mai
so Kwame me de me say so obi ya de na enye na be punish na ene rules and regulations Kwame e boy bra na be punish na yen punish no but ene has a folk no koroko match le Kwame how many weeks ni
yeah two
who said anyamra se na okodi ni park ni so no ya ene mo charge no Kwame akosi sen makama no atum bibiansi but mo say charge fofo
na rentino bibiansi is there man charge fofo
no that's not the point me person me say ene se mo be charge na se enkosi hwede a Kwame ne o charge akwa ade a Hussein here no Kwame e wo se by now punishment bi o deserve bi ankede ama no punishment that of folk deserve bi o se nkede ama om bebe pim ne yente hwe apart from say omo issues are green paper no be sinne de na asibi o yente hwe punishment bi ama from the FA enti ene Kwame obi su beye because obi koye no anko ba bi obi koye no bibiansi
they are punishment
na punishment baba Kwame muti wo de ni djuma na mudi omo koye for omo da football na no sa disciplinary committee for Kwame omo koye omo ni Ghana omo ni Ghana ha sei omo ti Ghana ha enti no case ni ba Kwame yengira to ndin free o na nko na manin ko say case na to suspend na da ho twen dey enti obi so kwa akoye because obi koye no onya ne hwe enti obi so kwa akoye we are just watching say ne hwe de korokode no so mbodi baye no because obi akoye na say onya ne hwe dia
say dey no mo charge her to full on 9th November 2025
November and the date here 24th
November 2025
what I say 2 weeks 3 weeks
you look at charge for say they have Tuesday 11th November 2025 to respond to the
what
charges.
I say 3 good weeks
and I have no respond there na
me mentor munya respond there na what was say has responding to mutu warrior woman no so come you see omo ye football come o de meba ho kakra enti ne yere de korokode nso ye ba omo kwa akosi so wo be san ho abedi koroko asem anasa ne so mbeja ato
onti ase
kwame case bi da pend na hundi ye wo betimi asan ho so okodi asem foforo da bi enye ne sa
e me bi koroko ball game ha baba
yeah
am I say ne security force wan ho mocked e call park ne so na nsem bebre ohu ye ja no be di korokode
we are just here we are watching we are just watching here kwame maminja no si wo